Alright guys, today I'm going to show you something that might help some of you guys when you guys playing your PS4. Some of your TVs you might get with a glitching. Some of you might not get, because it does support certain TVs. Sometimes it doesn't. Like my TV, the one I'm using, it doesn't support, but some TVs might support. But while you're playing your game, you might notice some glitching on the screens. So to get rid of that, I'll show you. Go to settings and go down to sound and screen, and go to video output settings, and then go down to deep color output. As you can see, mine's off, but some of you guys might be not off. This is what causes glitch in the screen while you guys playing the game. So that's all you do, just turn it off. As you can see, it's got automate or turn off. Just turn it off, and then hopefully that'll fix your problems. If you guys find this helpful, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.